Hi, welcome to Civil Connection channel. Now we are going to see about AutoCAD software, a command that is region and region, because spellings are that is pronunciation are similar, so I have chosen the same command in a same video. Okay, so what is meant by region? Region means we can combine two or three objects into a single form and single object. We can convert it to a single object. Okay, here we can see this. I shall draw 4 lines, okay, using line command, forming a rectangle. It is a closed rectangle. Okay, this forms an separate objects. Here one line, here one line, here one line, and here one line. So when we are choosing the line, you need to do what you need to do. You need to select a combined format. Okay, so in order to avoid this, we can combine this as a single form, and then we can form a single object. That is a closed objects. We can use this region command for the closed objects, not for open objects. That is, if it is a channel shape, we cannot use this region command. Okay, because it is not closed. When the object is closed, we can use this region command. Okay, so I have chosen this command here. Similarly, there should not be any extension like this. Okay, now I shall use this region command, REGION, region. Okay, this is the region command. I have chosen the object which I need to be regioned, that is to form a single object. So I shall choose this and press enter. Okay, I have pressed enter. So this forms a single object. Similarly, you can try in this object. It will not region it because there is some extension. When I remove this extension, you can form. Similarly, I shall remove this line and again give the region command. It will not form a loop. It will not form a single loop. See here, 0 loops are 0 region created. So I shall create a line here. So already there is extension, so it will not be created. So I shall trim this object. Okay, now I shall region it. It will form a single object. See here, single loop. It forms a single loop. This is the region command. Another I need to explain about region. REGEN. Region command. What is meant by region command means whenever we work for very heavy objects, there is a number of circles or number of polygons or number of rectangles. Whenever we draw, whenever we go for a mass diagram, that is very big diagram, the objects will form, the circle will be forming in this format. Will be having some, it will be formed as a polygonal. That will be perfect circle. In this form, what we need to do is, we need to use this command region, REGEN. This is actually polygon. I have drawn this is a polygon. So it is not, okay. So I shall use this region command. So what will we do is, the model will be regenerated, and whenever you see this polygonal structure formed of circle, will convert it to this form of circle, that is regular circle. Okay, thank you. If you haven't subscribed this channel, please subscribe it. If you like this video, you can press the thumbs up button, and thank you.